Alright, I'm getting ready to put veneer on the surface of this piece of molding that I made in my last video. So this is the sample of the molding, and this is where I'm going to place the veneer, just like this. So I'll trim it right to that step, and then I'll cut it back here on the table saw, reduce it back to 3/4 of an inch. So I'll cut a little bit of this off because this will add to the thickness of it, and then I'll edge glue it onto the other piece. So it's a little bit of work, but it's a fun detail. It's easy, and it's something that I can handle here without getting into a lot of really crazy stuff. So the idea is to keep it from moving, which is why I have the blue tape, and also to keep the seams tight, because when you clamp it you don't want it to spread or shift or move around. And you don't need a lot of glue, so you got to be real careful about the squeeze out. If there is squeeze out, it's not a big deal. It just takes time to clean up, and sometimes it gets in the way. So it's a tiny piece of veneer. You need very little glue. So the veneer has a little bit of shading in it. These two ends are slightly darker than the middle. So what I did was I joined the two dark sections, so there isn't a contrast right where the seam is. So in other words, I'm going to take veneer that was like this, right, where the color is common because the grain is running through the sheet, and then turn them like this, and then do the opposite on the other sides. So here, I want to join the veneer so it doesn't spread. And then here, and then I think I can do one more. Okay, now I have a pine stick with a straight edge, and it's got the packing tape on it, so it won't glue itself to the veneer or any of the squeeze out. My work area is elevated on the blocks. Alright, enough time has passed, So let's take a peek and see how it came out. Looks nice and flat. Okay, let's give this another hour, hour and a half. We'll finish it up and keep moving forward. All right, plenty of time has passed. So let's see what we got. Okay, let's give that a little time. Okay, let's see how this last little bit came out. Looks very nice. So now what I want to do is just, there's a little bit of squeeze out right in the front. I want to get a little bit of that off before it hardens. Okay, the rest of that could be hit with a light sanding block. That looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this up, and I'll be doing some sanding on this. Take it to the table saw, rip it, turn it, rip it again, and keep moving the project forward. Thank you, everyone. Stay strong.